morning everybody. Today I am going to explain a little bit about order flow charts and how it's working. Now it's 9:15 and 9:20, and this is the second candle and this is the first 5-minute candle. This is the zero zone, what I'm going to show you, where you see zeros. The first candle indicates indecisiveness today, and how am I going to tell you that? See, this is the zero zone, and this is another big zero zone here. Now the market has dropped from the high, from previous to a high till here, and then it's coming like this. There are some sellers here. These are aggressive sellers and aggressive buyers, and this is called a cluster order. These are the cluster orders. What you see in the candle is nothing, you cannot identify much. See, the zero zone is also marked as something which is traded. So this is a false candle, and I would take a call after the closing of the second 5-minute candle based on order flow charts. I can see only selling, a bit of selling here, selling orders, a lot of selling orders here. And not much buy orders here. This is the cot of the buyers, and this is seller's cot. Cot is nothing but some center of trade or interest of trade in this particular candle, and this is the ratio of both the buyers and sellers. We are looking for a big ratio where buyers and sellers should be like 1:10 or 1:8, like that. Only after that we can trade. Now the market is indecisive, so it is not moving either up nor down. Let me wait for some more time. Let me put in the 1-minute chart. This is a 1-minute chart. There is no decisiveness even according to the 1-minute chart. We have to wait for some more time to see which direction the market will move. Currently the point of control is here. There should be some strong factor to consider a trade. We just can't trade just because the candle is moving up or moving down. We need to know why it is moving up and why it is moving down. There are some buy orders coming in. These are buy orders where there are no sell orders, so it will be considered significantly strong. Now I go for a buying 43,000 call option. Now I go buy 43,000 call option. The day high is taken out, another 100 points is expected. If the day high is taken out, another 100 points is expected. This is another buy order. If the day high is taken out, only another 100 points is expected. Although I have taken a trade, my trade entry is here, my stop loss will be here. This is entry. So now I am in the trade at 43,000 call. Entry 43,000. Entry at 205. Expecting it to break. Some aggressive buyers here. It's a plain candlestick chart. See, the first candle is showing as red here, whereas here it is showing as green. If it breaks this point, there will be a quick bounce to around this point. Remember, my stop loss is here. entries here. This is how you have to read the charts. The current I took the position in this candle which is supporting my decision. The cart is in favor of the buyers, the sellers are less, and there is a ratio of 2.7. We need a ratio of at least 6 to 7, but I have taken a risky trade anticipating another 100-point move based on these points. These are true buyers and something like institutional buyers. Let's see if it's going to break that and sustain. Although it is broken, it has to sustain and close above this. $214 is the current point. I have taken entry 205. My lot size is 250 in options. I have taken only 10 lots. I might add to my position later on if it breaks and sustains above that point, above 43,200. 43,200 is a psychological point as well as a great pivot point. It has to stay there above 43,200. We cannot trade looking at the plain candlestick charts, although we have been trading like that for a long while. We have been losing trades because our speculation could be wrong. If it stops here, it has to go up. If it breaks this point, probably it will come down. It's not very bearish, it is still bullish. If my stop loss hits, I will take a fresh entry after some time looking at some more candles. My stop loss is here. I strongly anticipate the market to move up because of the buy orders seen on the chart. market is moving sideways. There's no decisive direction yet. Now I anticipate it to move up because the cart delta, max delta, everything is supporting the buyer side. I am still in the money. This is the control point. This candle bottom is a stop loss for me. The red candle bottom. If it closes below this, if closing is below this, I will close my position and wait for an opportunity again. But today there is no decisiveness in the candle whatsoever. You can check the previous day's candle, which shows this is the previous day candle. There is some movement and assurance here. These big orders here shows the market that the market will go up, and after that, see, from market has gone up nearly 200 points, 250 points. $300. Very nice chart pattern. has to cross this point and settle above that. It has to cross that point and settle above that. My audio could be feeble because I am using an ordinary mic. Might be I have to change it in the near future. This is just for educational purposes. I want to just show you how order flow charts are very important in the intraday trading. We'll wait for another 5-10 minutes to see if it crosses that point and how it goes and why it goes. The reasoning will also be there. This is the delta and the max delta supporting our position. Even this, although delta is low, the max delta is more. Here max delta and delta are equal, almost equal. In-depth analysis of order flow analysis chart can be taught to a group of students. I am planning to make a batch, and I will teach them how and why the market moves. There is a reason behind everything. Even if the market drops and even if the market rises, there is a reason. Today there is some indices weakness, so let us see where it goes. Trading 20 points, 30 points is not a factor in bank Nifty trading. I don't know if the audio is using the mic. I'm using a mic also, and my webcam also has a mic. I don't know which audio it is using, and I really need one more person to support me with all the technical things so that I can make fresh videos and help the other people. And also, I am not doing any charity. I will be charging some fees, nominal fees, for the time spent. The market is still moving sideways. Let us see for another 10-15 minutes. Actually, it should have given a decision, direction decision by now, by 25 minutes, 30 minutes. But it is already 45 to 50 minutes and there is still no decision. 35 minutes. There is no need to watch any other market or use any other indicators in this order flow charts. You can use indicators are available, but it is absolutely useless, I feel, until you know to analyze the charts. There are no big buyers, there are no big sellers today. There are no aggressive sellers. Institutional buyers are not active today. Not very much active. Okay, I'm going to stop for now. There seem to be no much direction, and when there is a direction I will make another video probably tomorrow. When there are strong buyers and sellers, when there is a direction indicative of a buy or a sell. And currently the market is trying to move in the sideways direction, and since it is not very strong on either side, I will be exiting this video. I will be stopping this video and get back with another video as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Happy trading. Stop using indicators.